welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been forever since I filmed a nail video, but I've really just been trying to get this room together. But we're back and I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. Like, look at this. Let's do a little up close because I have been biting my nails so bad that my fingertips literally hurt. Like, I don't know what's going on. I usually bite when I'm like super anxious or stressed and they just look horrible, but look at these nails. Yeah, salon quality nails at home. Look at that apex. They actually look so good. Definitely out of my norm with the length and the design, but I think they came out super cute. And I use these Beetles TIPEX nail tips, which come beautifully shaped with that really nice apex. So it really gives you that salon quality feel. And they're perfect. These are long coffin. And these are actually acrylic nail tips. So they have a lot of strength and are super, super durable. Let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll share more about everything I use to make this nail set. Okay, so these are the new TIPEX nails from Beetles. I haven't even opened this box up, so we're gonna open it up together and see what's inside. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it's looking like. We have a little application guide. Oh, and a little light. I didn't realize it came with a light as well. A little mini LED UV light. The plug for the light. Here is the nail glue to apply the nail tips. I really like that it came in a bottle like this. It seems like it'll be super easy to apply the nail tips. We have the base gel foundation, a little nail buffer. These look so pretty. The way that these are shining, they already look so pretty, but these are in the shape and length long coffin. You can see they have a nice little apex on them and you can just feel how strong they are. Like, I cannot bend this. I'm sure if I try hard enough, I probably can, which I'm literally pushing so hard. These seem like extremely durable, and they're not like crazy thick. Like, they still have a really good thin silhouette. And just to show you guys a quick comparison, these are some other nail tips that I got from Beetles, and I'm honestly not sure if these are actually plastic or gel, but you can just see the quality difference between the two. If it ever focuses, there we go. You can see just looking straight at it that these are like sculpted and these are more flat and natural looking. Okay, so this is what my nails currently look like. I have been biting so bad lately, so bad to the point that my fingers actually hurt. I don't know what is going on, but it's time to finally do these nails. So first thing I'm going to do is pick out my nail tip sizes. Starting with my thumb, I think we're gonna go with a size, let's do a size 2. Is that a 2? Yeah, so we're gonna do a 2 for the thumb. I'm just gonna place them on the nail stand for now. We're gonna do, let's say, a 7 for my pointer, maybe an 8. No, I think a 7 is good. Yeah, do 7 for the pointer. For the middle, let's see, 4, too big, 5, I think 5 is good. For my ring finger, let's see, 8 is like a little too small, so we're gonna do a 7. Yep, 7 for the ring. And then for my pinky, probably a 10. Yeah, I think a 10 is good. Okay, nail sizes are picked out. Now let's get into this application. I did show you guys that this kit came with its own foundation gel. This is what you would normally use underneath the nail glue gel, but today I'm actually just going to be using this peel off base gel because I know I'm not going to be able to wear this set for long. They're just super long, and if you know mom life, you know it's just not gonna work out. But I really wanted to try them out, so I don't want to cut them down or anything. I want to just apply them as is and see how they are. But I just know that they'll just be pretty inconvenient to wear long term, so I'm gonna go in first with this base gel. I haven't done my nails like this in such a long time because I'm so used to doing press-ons. That's one layer of the peel off base coat. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that in my big lamp. Now let's get into the actual application of the nail tips using this nail glue gel. I really like the thick consistency of this gel because it'll help really fill in the apex of the nail. These have a pretty strong apex, and because my nail beds are pretty flat, I'm gonna have a lot of space in between the nail bed and the nail tip. So this will help fill everything in. I'm just gonna put a good amount in the center and just kind of push that toward the side walls of the nail. Definitely don't want to overfill it because I don't want too much or any at all really to ooze out. And I'm going to be using this little light that came with the kit. I'm going to sit that at a 45-degree angle and then just push it down and let the gel push forward to the edge of my nail bed. And then I'm going to cure. I'm just going to cure that for a few seconds, and then once all the nails are on, I'll put them under the big lamp for another 60 seconds. Okay, first nail is on. You guys can see just how long that is. These are the longest nails I've had on like ever probably. And clearly, at least not for me and my mom life. These are not mom life friendly. Okay, now that the nails are secured, let's get into this nail design. Okay, so along with the TIPEX nail kit, Beetles also sent over this huge collection of gel nail polishes. There's actually 100 polishes in here and so many beautiful colors. So we're gonna use some color today for sure. So this collection has 2 different sections of polishes, top and bottom, and I already went ahead and swatched them all so you guys can get a better look at all the colors, because obviously I won't be able to use 100 colors in today's set so you guys can see them, but here are all the polishes swatched, and I even used some matte top coats and different types of top coats so you guys can see the difference. This one here is also a matte top coat, this yellow one, and there's a bunch of glitters. There's also magnetic polishes. We have different types of nude polishes. We have all my pinks and purples, more neutrals over here. So much to get into. And I reorganized everything so the colors were just easier to find. And they also sent over these little stickers so it's super easy to know what color you're actually using. So this one's like E676, and then it'll just be super easy to find it in your collection. This collection also came with a nail buffer, a magnet for the magnetic gel polishes, a nail clipper, a double-sided dotting tool and nail art brush, and then a little wooden cuticle pusher. Here's the bottom set of polishes, also nicely organized by color. And then over here is where we have the different top coats. So we have a regular top coat, we have a matte top coat. This one's actually another base gel foundation. And then this is a peel off base gel, which is the one that I just used. So I got it from this collection. For today, I don't know what color scheme I want to go for, but I do know I think I'm going to do this little circle French, but like an ombre of colors. So maybe different shades of pink, or like, I don't know. Let's see. Let's gather some colors that we can use. I was thinking of doing some kind of ombre, like sticking to the same color, but doing like different shades. So like maybe different shades of purple or blue. And then for my nude base, because I'm going to need a nude base, of course, I'm going to go with this one here. This is IB071, and I think it'll look really good on my skin tone. So yeah, that's the nude base I'm gonna go for. IB071, this one right here. So these are the 5 different shades of purple that I'm gonna be using today. Okay, first things first, I'm going to apply 1 coat of this nude polish. It's so weird painting my nails like this. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It honestly is so much harder than doing press-on nails. Okay, I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so that was 1 coat of that nude polish. Now let's get into the actual design. I got all my polishes lined up here. I have a nail plate, and then I'm gonna be using this brush from Beetles as well. Going good. We're gonna go ahead and scratch that and start over. I I wish I can get on here and say I figured that out, but we're gonna have to try that nail design on a regular press-on nail set because I don't have the patience for that right now. So we're just gonna do regular French tip nails and maybe do a design on top of that. But for right now, that little circle French thingy is not gonna work. I'm so sorry. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep that in the video, but to be honest, that's the reality of seeing nail videos online, seeing how quote-unquote easy they look and then attempting them and realizing they're actually not as easy as it looks like it is because of editing, of course. But I'm on a time crunch and we're running out of time. So we're gonna do regular Frenchies. And honestly, this is a lot more difficult than I remember, painting my nails like this, especially because they're so long, so I feel like they're just getting in the way. I literally tried that circle design at least 5 times right now, and I've run out of tries. So here we are. So I did the little T-curve method for the Frenchie, and then I'm just gonna use the brush that comes in the bottle to fill it in. I'm thinking I might do some kind of like polka dot situation on top of these, like a black and white polka dot maybe. But I love this purple color. Purple is my favorite color. Well, like this purple lilac-y colors are my favorite, like lavender, lilac, those are so pretty. So I got the ombre purple going on. I think it came out really cute, but I don't want to keep them plain like this. I think I'm going to do some sort of dot art. I'm going to be using a white and black polish. These are also from Beetles. They came in the collection. Just plain white and black. And I'm going to be using the dotting tool that also came in the collection. I'm not exactly sure what I want to do, but I'm going to mess around with it and see what we come up with. Pretty cool like that. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and use this top coat. A little bit of cuticle oil. So this is the final nail set using the Beetles TIPEX nail tips. Beautiful nails, really are salon quality, and obviously I used all the Beetles gel polish. So just a full set from Beetles, and they came out cute. Definitely something a little different than I would normally go for, especially with the length, which is kind of crazy. More than anything, I really like the little ombre that I did with the different shades of purple. I think they look really cute for spring with different colors. But that is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I use in this video will be linked if you're interested. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.